What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff from Zappos.com, and this is the Go Run 600 Revel from Skechers. Now this shoe is made from a sandwich mesh fabric and synthetic upper, and those are very breathable and lightweight. Get that cool Skechers S on the side there, along with a pull tab on the heel for easy on and off. Now these shoes are super easy to adjust thanks to the classic lacing up front here. You get plenty of cushioning all throughout, especially in that Goga Run insole. You're going to get tons of shock absorption and all-day comfort, and this sits on top of this 5-gen midsole, and that is going to deliver quick response and comfort for all-day wear. So don't delay and get your pair today, like right now. They're from Skechers.